Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I am here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. This is actually the next day from our last What Sold video. It is the 16th of June. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy. We do have some stuff that we have sold. We're going to show you that, and I think Kathy hit up a garage sale this morning, and we're going to show you some stuff that she found there a little bit later. Did I get that right?
Yeah. We figured, so we normally do our Thursday night lives.
Yeah.
But we're it's VBS this week, and it doesn't end until, we thought it was 7:30, but it literally ends at 8, and it's like halfway across town. So it would be
It's all the
9.
way across town.
Yeah. It'd be like 9 before we'd get back here, get everything set up, get the kids in bed. And that's like an hour late. And like a lot of people that watch us are on the East Coast, so that would put them at 11, and just like, so we're just going to skip it this week, but for that reason, we're just trying to get some other videos going. So.
It stretched us a little bit too thin, so we had to cut something.
Yep.
So, sorry we couldn't be live this week.
Yeah,
we do love.
I don't know if we're going to be next week either.
That's true. Yeah.
We're trying to plan a little mini trip, but we just haven't nailed it down yet. So we may or may not be live next week, but then it should be. I don't want to say back to normal.
Right.
It's summer,
I know we keep saying back to normal. What is normal?
In the school year for sure, but
yeah.
All right. So let's pull some sales. First thing was these Quicksilver shorts. These I purchased at a Goodwill for $3.99. Sold them for $22 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace, which was exciting because it's been days since I've had a sale over there. I haven't listed anything new still to Facebook in months, so.
Yeah, we've kind of put Facebook on the
back burner.
Just as like it's a little extra bonus nowadays.
Yeah. So, regular mailer on that. By the way, shipping hit. By the time you see this, it definitely has their new mailers.
Yeah, the 6 new, or is it 9 patterns?
I think they might have 6 mailers plus cards.
Oh, 6 patterns, okay.
Right. Well, the cards can be matching to the mailers, I guess.
There's a link in our description, and we do have a code Ginger15 if you want to get 15% off your order.
Yes. All right. Oh, I was. It's funny. I started that conversation, and I'm kind of like distracted. So, yes. If you need poly mailers, check it out. I did sell these Under Armour shoes for men. Sold them on Posh for $30. I was hoping for like more like $40 on these. They are a men's size 13, and they were like a 4. Like the, what is it called? The wide, like
4E.
Yeah. So I was like, oh, those should do well.
Yeah. They're
a little dirty on the soles, but otherwise really good shape. We got these when we were in Utah for spring break, and I did pay $12 for them. So selling them for $30 on Posh, I'm about just doubling my money, which that's still pretty good. But
took a little while though, huh?
Well, yeah, a couple months. So. That's why I accepted, because I'm like, well, they've been listed for a couple months, so.
Yeah, usually the super wide stuff tends to sell quicker for us.
Yeah, it usually sells in like a few days.
Yeah, so I'm actually kind of surprised about that one, but
I'll take the offer that I had. Yeah.
Take it when you get it, you know?
Right. This is a little kids Disney vintage Hercules shirt. Purchased this for $2.99, sold it for $24.65, free shipping though on Kitizen, because I do free shipping on Kitizen again. Well, there was like a small amount of time that I didn't do free shipping, and I just didn't feel like it was working out, so I've switched.
Went back.
And this one is under 4 ounces, so I did buy my label through Pirate Ship. Kitizen recently raised all their rates again. Not like again. They didn't do it at the beginning of the year like most of the other platforms did, so they were just a few months behind. But yeah, so it's $4.50 to ship just like an 8-ounce package. But since this was only like 3 ounces, I went through Pirate Ship because it's a little less anyways, and even with the fee difference, it was still.
Because Kitizen doesn't have a 4-ounce label, right?
They don't.
So Pirate Ship does. Yeah.
Cute.
Over here, above the Reese.
Hi. Hi, you. All right, this is actually a bundle going out to our viewer, Zach. Got these Mizuno sneakers. These I got at Plato's Closet for $14. And then AO.
Way over here by Reese again.
He's like, what's going on? These Asics. I did pay $14.99 for these, which is a lot for Asics for me to pay because They usually sell 35 to 45 or so. These were in really good shape though, so I did take a chance. And then box view.
Right here.
This is a Philosophy women's shirt that actually Debbie, our viewer, sent us. So free to me.
Nice. Yeah.
And then Zach purchased all 3 items for $107.92 plus shipping. So
awesome.
Thank you so much,
Zach. Thank you so much for that support. And that's crazy. So we got something from a viewer and it sold to a viewer. That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's like the circle of life on reselling.
Yeah. So that, I don't think they're going to fit in the 13 by 13 box. So we'll probably just grab one of our larger eBay boxes for that sale. All right, box T. This is just one of my son's old shirts. It's Riley and Crew. I don't remember what I bought this for, but I sold it for $31.96 plus shipping on eBay. And the buyer that bought it is actually, I didn't see where, but it was global shipping. So they paid, I feel like, close to $60 to get this to them. All in, so. What mirror do I want to use?
Looks like our drawers are falling out.
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend this rack that much, honestly.
Yeah,
it works, but it's not the best.
It's kind of been the best thing we've had so far. We just need to figure out a good
I feel like the ones
poly mailer.
Just the ones that you don't have to actually slide out. You know, the ones that are just like
just a shelf.
Drawer.
Oh, a drawer, yeah.
Yeah, those ones seem better. I might, if I find one at a garage sale or something, I'll probably grab it. They just cost like $50 new, so it's not a necessity. All right, so yeah, cool shirt. Probably breaking even, maybe losing a few dollars there. This is a super not huge sale, but I am glad this sold. It's Janie and Jack, just a little bow tie. Sold for $3.16.
Hey, big money.
I know. I mean, I'm making like $2.50 back. It's better than just donating it, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think
was that like our own kids thing, or?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Was, so. Yeah, I didn't buy that just to sell for $3.
Right,
so.
right.
I found this when we were cleaning out our trailer, and I tried to take it once upon a child, but they just don't do ties, at least at our location. So, anyway, so I was like, well, I don't want to donate it. I don't want to just donate it or just throw it away.
Right.
So,
I feel like it's more than we could have sold it at a garage sale too. So.
This, I recognize the name was a viewer sale. I recognize the name, however, I feel like the name on your label, Alicia, is not what you go by. I think you go by Brooke, but Alicia and or Brooke, thank you for buying these shoes from us. A pair of FitFlops, really nice condition. Love that color. Bought these just a few days ago for $10.99. Sold to Alicia for $31 plus shipping. So thank you so much.
Very nice. Thank you so much for that support, Alicia and or Brooke.
And we're going to do a padded flat rate on those.
We do appreciate that support.
All right, AN all the way over here. These are a pair of kids' Nike. These are called like the Future Court. These ones I did pay $12 for. I was going to keep them for my son, and then I just decided to list them, so not a huge profit. Sold for $27.96 plus ship, so about doubling my money there as well. And they're over a pound, so going in a padded flat rate as well. All right, and then lastly, BA. Pair of Skechers sandals, got for $5, sold for $23.96 plus shipping.
Sweet.
Yeah, those are under a pound, although I think these would fit in a regular 10 by 13.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see.
I think so.
They fit. Oh, those are going in there.
Sweet.
Yeah, so.
All right. Let's get this stuff all packed up, clear the table, and then we'll go through your garage sale finds this morning.
Yeah.
Is that okay with you, Reese?
Not that much, but.
You're like a lot more awake than you have been in past videos.
He doesn't have his bed to just.
That doesn't matter. The bed's up here. He doesn't ever lay in it.
That's true. What's
Wait.
up? What's up? What is up? We're being silly today.
All right, we'll be right back after we get this stuff packed up. All right, got that all packed up. We got the bag of stuff here.
Probably should have ripped open already. If you hear sound, that's our kids. Try to hear what they're doing. Reese, you're not watching them today? Shouldn't you be watching them?
Go babysit.
He's like, not without a treat. Oh.
He's really excited to see what you got.
Alright, so this whole bag I just paid $20 for, and technically I think it was like $19, but I felt like stuff was a good deal, so I was just like, I don't need change back. So, got this REI fleece vest. You can see it's kind of hairy, but I'll wash that.
Reese, go lay down, bud.
That was like $1, so it's probably at least a $20 sale.
Okay.
We got a couple North Face fleeces. These are both a women's medium, I believe. I think she was asking $5 on these. So, a little bit of wash wear, but pretty typical of a fleece, but otherwise good shape. This does look like one that was originally like a snap-in to a jacket, like those.
Oh, like a liner kind of thing?
So you can wear it as is, or if you have a jacket, snap it in. This one is kind of like a different kind of a fleece. The kind of reminds me of the Patagonia Better sweater fabric.
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know what North Face calls their versions of these, but I like that one.
Yeah,
Style.
it's got an interesting like neckline.
Yeah, so I'm sure this is probably 30 to 35, maybe 40, probably the same 30 or so.
Ooh.
Oh, no, of course.
I tried to catch it.
That was a mug.
I think it's fine.
She wrapped it all nice for me. Yeah, so this is like how we sell the Colorado ones. That we might not even have one.
Yeah, I don't think we do right now.
I feel like I have one. So now I'm like worried, like, where did I put it? Anyways, basically the same thing, but just a Michigan one.
Oh, that's cool.
So, I do need to wash this, but this was like 50 cents. So, the comps weren't like, since it's pre-owned, the ones we always sell for Colorado are new. They usually sell around 30 plus shipping. This is probably about 20 or so plus shipping, but for 50 cents, why not?
Yeah.
And these are some Columbia, I don't know. I want to say they're snow pants, but they're like very thin. Like, I don't know. I felt like snow pants would be thicker, so I don't know if they're like rain pants, but they don't feel like rain pants. So.
Yeah, not sure.
Anyways, nice pair of Columbia pants.
Like a light snow pant.
Yeah. So these, I don't know how much she charged me for them, but yeah. They did have a little wear. Snow clothes always have like some damage, although I usually pass if I see it. I didn't see that. So, I mean, oh, there's snags on it too down here. Dang it. So we might be trashing these. I literally looked these over so well because snow pants are like the one thing that I pass if it has too many flaws.
Yeah.
Oh well, donate those. I did get these button snow boots for $2. I'm like feeling like these are messed up too.
Oh no.
It's funny because I'm like, I literally felt all over these because I was like, what's wrong with them? Now she's only asking $2 for them, you know? I don't know. But this part feels a little crunchy, so.
Oh yeah.
So another probably, I don't want to say I'm going to donate them because are they even good to anybody then?
Yeah, it feels like the foam inside kind of got hard and crunchy.
Yeah.
And is like falling apart now. Man.
That's a bummer. So luckily they were $2.
Yeah.
So far I'm probably out like $5 or so. Like these I could still probably sell. I just don't want to. It takes me a long time to list stuff that has a lot of flaws.
It's
so
also
I'll just-
very out of season right now.
So basically, again, I still only paid $20. Any one of these pieces would take care of the $20. Plus I got 2 shoes that I didn't see any super big flaws on, but these, I was going to throw these in the washing machine. They're a little dirty on the soles, but the knit looks good and the insoles looked good. It's funny because I always feel like around that part of shoes
Yeah.
because that's something that always gets messed up.
Well, up high it felt fine on these. Like up here.
Yeah.
Because there's no, the foam has all come down here. I wonder if you can hear it. I'm sure you hear that.
Yeah.
But
So, anyways, these are like some Adidas Pharrell. These are women's 6. Yeah. probably will sell for at least 30.
You know what it is? I think you just hadn't had your coffee yet.
I had it, man. I have to go get another coffee. It's funny because I woke up. It's Thursday. I wasn't planning on going to garage sales. Garage sales aren't usually on Thursday. This particular one, she had showed a picture of the North Face, some Columbia stuff, a Patagonia, which is what I really wanted. Although she had it folded kind of like this on the table. And then when I got there, it was like a huge embroidery over here about like a company name or whatever, you know. So she was only asking $5 for it. I still probably could have made money off of it. I just don't like the ones with it. If it was new with tags, I would have grabbed it, but used with the embroidery, someone that has to either cover it up or pinch it out with one of those
thread
seam
ripper,
rippers. So
seam ripper thing, Yeah,
I just left it. But
how much was she wanting for it?
She only wanted $5.
Yeah.
But and then I got these Merrell barefoot. So these I'm gonna throw in the wash. Women's 8.5, but I did like all this to them there and stuff, and they seemed good. So treads seemed good on these. Yeah, these usually sell for 40. Although these ones have like some. I don't think that's gonna wash out and stuff like the glue
discoloration.
So
from the glue.
They're still gonna sell maybe like for 30 though. So I mean $20 for this now. Still worth it, but kind of a bummer because like these two alone probably, like these probably would have been a good close to $100 if they weren't messed up.
Yeah.
And then these would have been at least 30 probably. So.
Yeah, and I doubt it's something that we'd be able to like take the liner out and sell the boot without it. I don't know.
Right.
So hey, you know, you can't win them all.
Nope.
At least it was a small chance that you had. You know what you said, $5 for the boots.
These are only $2.
Oh, $2, yeah.
So maybe she probably knew that they were messed up and didn't want to ask too much just in case. But I don't know. I mean, these are just a liner, so I don't know if I can just sell this. And then they put in their own liner.
Maybe some, So I guess we'll look into that a little bit more. But
either way, I'm not worried.
Do snow boots without liners sell? Anybody out there sell them like that?
It's funny because I'm like, I'm never buying snow boots again. Even though last time I sold Burton snow boots, they sold in like a couple days for like $50.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I got.
Very nice. So out with the sold inventory, in with the new.
Yeah.
So we'll probably get this stuff added in with our current situations.
Yeah.
And get them on the eBay store, I guess, pretty soon. So that is going to do it for today's video. It got hot. Like, I feel like it got super hot in the last 30 minutes. I think it said it was 90 degrees out right now. So sorry, I'm sweating. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support today. We do appreciate all the viewer support, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.